He turned $100 into more than $63,000. Not in crypto, not in poker, not in sports betting. He did it by trading real-world events. Welcome back to Captain Altcoin. Today, I want to share a story that's very interesting to me because it's about prediction markets. A guy known as the Duck Guesses managed to turn pocket change into life-changing money in under a year. And I think the way he did it has lessons for anyone watching. By the way, you have details about this on X in the thread Seth shared. His first bet was in November 2024. He saw a lot of Trump signs and just threw 100 on Trump. Pure gamble. But it won. And that single gamble pulled him into prediction markets. For a few months, he was just messing around, treating it like gambling. But by February or March of 2025, something flipped. He decided to take it seriously. Now, his background is pretty normal. He's a healthcare worker and does a 9-to-5 job. He's a hobbyist in stocks, mostly index funds and blue chips. No crypto, no poker, no sport betting background. Just a regular guy in his mid-30s. That's why I like the story. Because compared to ex-poker pros in prediction markets, he came in low-key and quiet. His bread and butter markets became App Store rankings, Netflix, and political or earnings mentions. His edge was building some AI-assisted tools to track Netflix and App Store data. But even he says the tools weren't the real advantage. The real edge was how he thinks. He's always been a gamer, a math kind of guy. He treats every market like a puzzle to solve. And in his mind, prediction markets are just another game. You learn the rules, you look for small edges, and you play smart. Another turning point came in April 2025. He joined the Kalshi Discord. He didn't join to copy picks. He joined to listen. Just hearing how other traders think sharpened his own mindset. That's something I find really interesting. Most people look for shortcuts, but he just wanted to learn how others reason through the markets. His growth didn't come from one big home run. It came from small wins and stacked up over time. He even lost 10 grand in the New York City Democratic primary, but he shrugged it off as just another lesson. His mindset was that losses don't define him, consistent gains do. And the results speak for themselves. $86 into 411 on an App Store bet, 700 into more than 3,000 on Netflix, 3.5 grand into over 4,000 on a Threads bet, almost 4 grand into more than 5 on an Alphabet earnings call, and 9,000 into nearly 14,000 on a South Park market. Now, here's where I think this ties back to crypto. Kalshi, the platform he used, isn't crypto. It's a regulated US prediction market. But in my mind, the lesson carries straight over to crypto-native platforms like Polymarket. Prediction markets are one of the biggest real use cases for blockchain. They need on-chain settlement, oracles, and a decentralized player base. So, stories like this show what's possible. And crypto is where the next wave of these opportunities will likely grow. So, what's his advice? Pick one market you know well. Research it deeply. Start with small bets. Only scale once you've found your edge. And most importantly, keep a humble and curious attitude. He says he doesn't consider himself an expert at anything. He just shows up to learn as much as possible. In my opinion, that's the real lesson here. It's about curiosity, discipline, and stacking small wins until they turn into something huge. If you want more stories like this, hit subscribe, but more importantly, join the conversation down below. The best part of this channel is seeing how you guys think about these markets. This is Captain Altcoin signing off.